Hello YouTube, this is the Josh T 1603 and I am here to give you a review of the Vizio surround soundbar. Now, it's just a little over 3 feet. Here's my arm length. That's about 3 feet, and it's pretty long too. It's got a nice Vizio logo in the front. And if you turn it on top here, it's got a power button, an input button, a volume up and down, and a mute button. And you can hang these on the wall from the bottom. On the bottom of it, you can take this screw off, this screw right here off, right here, and turn it upside down, and it goes on a wall like that. But I got mine laying for my TV, so now on the back it don't got no HDMI cable output, but it's alright. But it comes with the red and white audio components. It also comes with a plug-in subwoofer if you get it separate. And it's, as you can tell, it's pretty shiny. I can't fit this whole soundbar on screen because it's so big. And it gives you surround sound, like when you play video games. Like, yeah, surround sound's pretty good. Now it sounds like a lot of treble in it. It has like a lot of treble and bass in it too. So it gives you a single. It comes with a single cable connection to your HD TV. Standing wall mount brackets included, and I want to give you a little preview of it and let you see the difference for yourself, if you can tell. So yeah, here is No Country for Old Men on Blu-ray. I'm gonna see. Y'all probably can't tell it, but I'm just gonna show you the sound quality of it, like the surround sound we got from left to right, and then it picks up good quality. So I'll just let you watch it here. Show what y'all think. So you can hear everything pretty nice and clear. Even the simplest things, like footsteps. You can hear them pretty good. See, even the wood, pressed on the wood, you can hear the wood. I should play it when he busts this door open. Show y'all the how it sounds in action over here. See, I even got barely turned up. It's pretty loud. Yeah, scared the shit out of me. Alright.
How'd you find that?
Alright. And the remote has the power button, the volume up, down, the input button, which is on, all these is on top of the soundbar, which I showed you. You don't know what them are, them two are. So yeah, anyways, it shows the volume. I turn it on again, and volume goes up. And volume down. It's got lights on the side of it. And as you can see, that's how long it is. That's a 32-inch. And it slightly goes longer than my TV. So it's slightly over 3 feet. And so yeah, this has been my Vizio high definition soundbar test. Now if you want to work real good, you have to have the HD TV with it. Quality, picture quality, it's the perfect entertainment if you have this and an HD TV. And don't forget an HDMI cable for your plugins on your TV to your player. But this right here, as I said, does not have an HDMI plug-in in the back, but it has a subwoofer plug-in. But for now, this is the Josh T 1603, and this has been my review. So yeah, rate and subscribe if you want some more reviews in the future. Oh yeah, and this will run you $130 at Radio Shack or Walmart, or yeah, 130 bucks. So it's pretty cheap, and it's got real good quality. I don't know if you could tell the difference between, you know, and on the test I took, on the audio test, but it's pretty good once it gets real high and then it gets real low, like on the sound. Yeah, it brings up the excitement in movies. Yeah, so right there. Oh yeah, peace.